Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First key level of support to watch going forward is going to be right down here at the $1.69 mark. $1.69, very important. And I'm not saying the price is going to do this, but just kind of illustrate why this area I would consider quite important is if the price were to come down to $1.69 and then all of a sudden break down through it, at that point in time, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price right back inside of this range down here where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And like I said, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price were to come down here, behave in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. Truly strong moves over time are going to make progress forward, right? They're not going to go back to where they were. And that quote-unquote going back point is right there around the $1.69 mark. So keep a very close eye on that. Good news is it's not like the price is anywhere close to it right now. But going forward, that is definitely one of those areas that you would want to see hold. Best case scenario is the price holds up above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $1.73. But with that being said, it's not like if the price falls below $1.73, then the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that, for the reasons we've already discussed. Now, as far as levels of resistance, the main level that stands out to me right now is more so just a trend line resistance. So if I get that in place here, and let's change this to red for resistance. But that is going to be a level where if the price can continue to work its way upwards, because as of now, yeah, the price is actually, getting a little bit of a push upwards. So if that movement continues, the big question becomes, can the price actually break above the trend line? Because you look the past previous times, and that's, where the price is, run out of steam. So keep an eye on that going forward. But all in all, yeah, a rough start to the day, but to give some credit where credit due, at least the price was able to start to go sideways and try to consolidate out here. So we'll see if the bulls can chip away at this higher base and then maybe give it another run up the trend line here. Still a couple days left this week, so let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.